Morning, student. Today I discuss mail merge. Today I discuss mail merge for class 7, chapter number 3. Today this topic related to in this chapter how to work mail merge. How to work mail merge. First of all, I discuss previous classes. I already discussed what is the mail merge, but today I again discuss what is the mail merge. My dear student, mail merge is a powerful tool for writing. It is a powerful tool for writing and sending a personalized letter. Sending a personalized letter or email to many different people at the same time. People at the same time. What is the mail merge? Mail merge is a powerful tool for writing and sending a personalized letter or email to many different people at the same time. Mail merge import data from another source such as Excel and then uses that data to replace placeholders throughout your message with relevant information for each individual you are messaging. Mail merge you can you can use it to be quickly create personalized message for hundreds of people at once. This is the mail merge. Mail merge is a very important tool of the MS Word. Suppose you send to the interview letter. The matter is the same. Interview letter matter is the same, but address is the different. You send to one times in every candidate. Use to the mail merge. This is the mail merge. My second topic, how to create mail merge. Yeah, how to work on mail merge. Today I am not to the practical. Today I totally related to the theoretical. Create mail merge. How to create mail merge. Sixth step. There are 6 steps is provided in the mail merge. First of all, open to MS Word 2007-2010. Not doesn't matter. Second point, go to the mailing option. Go to the mailing option. My third point, this mailing option is click and then click to start mail merge. Then click start mail merge. Next class is with totally practical part. How to use to the mail merge with practical session. But today this is a theoretical part. Open to MS Word 2010. Go to the mailing option and then click start mail merge. You click to the start mail merge. The one dialog box appear in front of you. This is the dialog box. And there are so many such type of option is involve first letters, second email message, third envelopes, fourth labels, fifth directory, sixth normal Word document. Normal Word document. And the last option, a step by step mail merge wizard. A step by step mail merge wizard. I again repeat, go to the MS Word 2007 or 10, no doubt. You go to the mailing option, you just click to the mailing option and go to the start mail merge. Then click to the start mail merge. The one dialog box appear in front of you. There are so many such type of option is involved in this dialog box, but you click the step by step mail merge wizard. mail merge wizard together. Why the click to the step by step? Because this step is starting the new user and new employee is create to the mail merge. Then click to the step by step mail merge wizard. Then click to the step by step mail merge wizard. Then again one dialog box is appear in front of you. Then again one dialog box appear in front of you. The letter, email, envelopes, label directly. The all of our part is also input in this sector. This sector is the labels. Sorry, this sector is the letters, email, labels. These all parts are involved in this dialog box. But you click to the letters option. You click to the letter option, and then after click to the letter option, you go to the and you just click to the letter and you go to the below part. Then click to the step. Then click to a step 1 to 6, step 1 to 6, and click next option. My dear student, this is very not to the difficult, because this is not to the practical part. I again repeat, a start mailing mail merge letter, one dialog box appear. You go to the step by step mail merge wizard. Then click a step by step mail merge wizard. One dialog box in front of you. Letter, emails, envelope directly. But you create to the letters. Then click to the letters, and you go to the below part and click next option. Then select a starting document. You just click to the next option. Is one dialog box again appear in front of you, and this dialog box is selected in this was select a starting document. This document is the so many points involved in this particular topic, and you go to the current document. Why go to the current document? Because this document I am using. Select, I again repeat, you go click to the next option. You just click to the next option, select a starting document. And there are so many such type of option in this field, but you choose current document. Then then next option click. You choose to the current document, and then after next option click. You just to the next option click, and one dialog box appear again in front of you. I again repeat, select a starting document. This a starting document, and you choose to the current document in use, and then after click to the next option, click, and one dialog box appear in front of you. This dialog box is related to the select recipient. Select recipient. There are two such type of option in related in this field. First option, use on existing list. Use on existing list. Use on existing list means these option is already fulfilled. Name, addresses, field, these option already filled, and you just to the choose and the existing list. Then all of our criteria in front of you. But I am not choose use and the existing field, but I choose type a new list. Type a new list. Then click. Why you just click to the type a new list, the again one dialog box appear in front of you. Just click to the type a new list and again one dialog box appear in front of you. One window, sorry, this is the type a new list, click and the one window in front of you. This window is related to the title, field name, last name, and there are so many criteria involved in this window dialog box. And this title you choose, just the mouse pointer click, then the so many title involved in front of you, but you add a new field. Suppose this field is not any such type of in use in this letter, but you add in any such type of new field. You add any new field, just click, then click customizing column, then click customize column. This customized column is related in the lower part in this field. You just click to the type a new list, one window is appear, and just the one window is appear, the so many criteria fulfill, but you add to the new field, you click to the customized column. Just you click to the customized column, the one dialog box appear again in front of you. The one dialog box is again in front of you. There are so many such type of options related: name, last name, first name, addresses, so many field of involved. But you add in any new field, but this is the not used in this field, and this is the, and just click to the one by one to the remove. Name is not included in this letter, just remove in this name is removed, last name remove. Which these are not used in this criteria, just click to the remove option. Then after to the remove option, then again one dialog box, and this dialog box is provided to add option. There are so many such type of option: add option, remove option, insert option. Those option is not involved in this letter, just remove. And there are so and the all field of the remove, and to add to the new field, just click to the add. The one dialog box appear again in front of you. And this is the field name. Again ask to the dialog box field name. Suppose field name again add name, just add, this is the name. Again add the ask to the field name address. So you already choose which type of field is related in this particular letter, and then click to the add. The all criteria fulfill, then all field add, then click OK. then click OK. And the again one dialog box appear in front of you. Again dialog box, this is the, and the name you, this dialog box is related to you add to the previous dialog box. They automatically all over parts are add in this particular dialog box. Name, you add address, you add city, you add pin code. And name Ram, name Syam, address Nevada, address Gaya. So these all our field are fulfilled. Then all our field are fulfilled. Then again suppose the first name Nam, the first row is the fulfill, and again you go to the add new entry, and you go to the just this is the dialog box, and just click this dialog box, the second column, the second row is automatically in front of you. Then again put to the name, addresses and the city. Then all our criteria fulfilled. Then again press to the OK. Then click OK. The all our criteria fulfilled, and then click to the OK. This is the not end of the topic, but today I discuss then all field add in your choice. Thank you so much.